Guys, I'm gonna show you the main steps of the build of this box. I don't know what kind of box it is. I can call it a toolbox, a storage box, a truck box, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I will call it. Well, I'm gonna use these materials. This grid in aluminium for the cover of the box. This pieces I take it from a broken umbrella. It must be these ones. They are on a V shape. Don't know if you can see it. This is not the round ones. It must be these ones. A metal sheet. I take this one from a chocolate powder. Paper clips. This for make the handles of the box, and to make the box I will use a styrene sheet, a 3mm styrene sheet. I cut two stripes with the same size. In this case it's 5 centimeters high, and then I cut 4 pieces, equal pieces, the same size. You can see this will be the side of the boxes, and this one here the same length, and this will be the bottom, like this, and the back. I already glued the bottom and the back of the case, the box. And now, if you remember, before we cut 4 pieces of this of the same size, and now as we have put the bottom and the back, we have to shop here the 3mm of the thickness of the styrene sheet. You can see I already cut it, this one. We have to shop this. They are 6mm. And why? Because we want to put this piece cut right here to get this support for the cover. But before that, we have to make the handles, to put here 2 handles. For the handles, now we're gonna use the paper clips. We open it, and with a plier you only get only a bit, maybe 2 millimeters, and we bend like this. Oop. And go around the plier. We finish, and we will get this. Now we only have to cut here in the middle with a cut plier, of course. And that's it. We have the handle. And we cut a little stripe what will fit between the handle we made before. So I cut here a little, like this. Now I make sure if it will fit there, here, okay. Don't. And now we bend it only 19 degrees, like this, or a little bit more. Now we can press it. Okay. Now with the handle we made before, we pass with the open on the inside, and now with the plier we press here like this. We make sure it will work. Yes, it will work. And that's it. we mark the 2 points of the stripe, the metal stripe. Here and here. Now with the X-Acto knife, we open between the 2 points we mark here, a notch. Okay, it all pass through, and now we cut between the 2 points we mark. Okay. Now we grab the handle we made before, and we pass it. We make a pressure. Oops. And it must come to the other side. We pressure like this. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. We press here to adjust and bend it. Okay, it's now secure, and we have the handle. And now I will glue this one. Will cover the can we bent here. Well, I already finished the box. You can see everything is glued, the handles, and this piece here with the support for the cover. For the cover, I'm gonna use this material, as I have told you before. And now I have to cut. I already marked it, but I find it like this. I put right here, and then I roll the case, and this way I can see where I have to cut. I let 1 centimeter extra centimeter, because after I will trim it to get a snug fit. Well, now I can cut it. I already put the smaller one here on the bench wise. I think it is how we call it. And now I have to put the grid inside. Don't know if you can see. And I slide it. And what I want to do, I'm gonna press. I'm pressing, and this way is already secured, but we have to put you have to press harder you can. If you want to, you can hammer. Okay, I think it's good now. Now I'm going to unscrew. And this way, you can see, it's clamped. I already do the frame, the side and the bottom. You can see. And now we have to bend the cover to the shape of the box. So you can see here it will fit. And now we have to bend this way. Already mark here where I have to do the first bind, and I'm gonna do the bind. I already fixed it by the line. I have to use this wood because the length is bigger than my bench wire vise. And now we do a little pressure on the frame to bend it. I think that's it. Now we will try it. Well, it came out very nice, I think. The first bind. Now I will do the same here to bind it this way. Already finished the cover. I forgot to tell you before, but we must leave 1 centimeter on each side, extra centimeter. And now we have the cover, and this extra centimeter, you can see here, we're gonna bend it 90 degrees, so with the plier like this, to see where we have to bind, and we bind it 90 degrees like this. And now I will do the same on this side. I can check if everything is okay. You see, already binded this one. And then I will make a hole, drill a hole. This is where the cover will move. Well, this is the result. I already drilled the hole and put the screws, 2 millimeters screw. Here I trim it right here, but you don't need to trim here. It was a mistake. You only to cut the corner to allow the movement like this. And well, that's it. Very nice box. Well, as I told you before, it can be a storage box for instance for the helmets. You can use it like a storage box or a toolbox. Now they are really finished. I painted these two, and this one I put this aluminum tape to have this metal look. These two, I don't know if you notice the difference, but the frame is larger and the handle is different too. The only thing, the difference is I use it a different material. In this case here, I use this metal piece they have here in this calendar. It's metal. I open and then I clamp it the same way I did on the video. And for the handle, instead of mating with the paper clip and the can, I find these pieces. They are exactly the same size of the ones I made. You can see the same size. So I use it here, and it's have a different look, more perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget, like and subscribe, please. Thank you.